In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install, create an account, and download Mcafee Antivirus onto 5 devices in just 5 minutes. Let's get started and make sure that your devices are well protected with the comprehensive security that Mcafee offers. First, head over to your web browser and navigate to the Mcafee Total Protection page. Mcafee Total Protection is designed to secure your digital life by safeguarding your devices against online threats, viruses, and malware. Once you're on the page, look for the Buy Now button. Clicking this will guide you through the process of purchasing the antivirus software. When considering the packages available, make sure to select the option that covers 5 devices. This way, you can provide protection for multiple gadgets, offering peace of mind no matter what device you or your family are using. Once you've selected the right package, it's time to complete the payment process. Mcafee offers several secure payment methods, ensuring that your transaction is safe. Carefully fill in the necessary details and confirm your purchase. Once your payment is processed, check your email for a confirmation message, which will typically include your subscription details and further instructions. Now that we've made the purchase, the next step is to log into your Mcafee account. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry, it's straightforward. Simply follow the prompts to set up your account. This account will allow you to manage your subscriptions, access customer support, and download the software to your devices. With your account set up, it's time to download the Mcafee application. Navigate back to the main site and look for the download section linked to your purchase of Total Protection. Clicking the download button will automatically start the installation file download. If prompted, select Save to keep the file on your computer. And once the download is complete, open the file to begin the installation process on your first device. For the next part, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Mcafee's user-friendly installation wizard will guide you through each step, ensuring that the software is properly deployed onto your device. After installation, it's a good idea to run an initial scan to make sure everything is working seamlessly. Repeat this downloading and installation process on each of the 5 devices you want to protect. Remember, having a single account keeps things simple. You can use the same login credentials for securing all the devices within your subscription plan. And that's it. You now have Mcafee Antivirus installed and protecting your devices, giving you that extra layer of security required to browse freely and efficiently. Make sure to check for updates periodically to keep your antivirus software up to date. Enjoy that much-needed peace of mind with Mcafee's comprehensive coverage.